Hello Aldwin, this is Damon, X-Treme Bait Tanks. Your custom 50-gallon bait tank is finished. You have a lower 3/4 inch drain, inside black walls, two 12-volt pumps, and a 15-foot 12-volt deep water pole. So currently running under the two 12-volt pumps, you'll be sent with a set of directional flows, 45, 90, 180, and 360. You have 14 different speeds. Each pump is connected to a Danco Venturi. You can see the air that's forming. That's a result of the Venturi. In the back, you have three quick connects, pump, light, pump. Also new with the 3-to-1 pigtail and alligator clips to your battery. This is where your 12-volt, 15-foot deep water pole connects. You can see the wires are run inside. How this works with 12-volt, you have a pump at the end of the hose. So when you back your truck up on the dock, you'll put this into the water, connect your hose, and I'll send you with a 2-to-1 pigtail and alligator clips to your battery. So how this works is you activate this pump, which is at the end of the hose, and this pump, which is an inline, and by these two pumps working together, that's where you're bringing new water into your tank. You have two standpipes with 3 filter socks. Never let the filters dry dirty. When you're done, turn them inside out, rinse and repeat. You have a serial number in the top right-hand corner for identification purposes. Everything on the tank is 3/16 stainless steel and 10 wire, 100% saltwater worthy. We're going to dry this up, box it up, headed your way. As always, if you have any questions, give us a call. Till then, we hope you have an extreme day.